Each of us has our story. To each, our own. Soldier, politician, artisan. This is how empires are built, on the stolen identities of ordinary citizens. Every Roman knows the forest is full of mysteries, full of spirits, full of dangers. Was she a fauna? One of the goddesses of the forest? The fear I felt was real. She beckoned me and I was drawn to her, in spite of my fear. The symbol she wore prompted my question, and she laughed mockingly and uttered her response in a language I never learned, yet somehow understood. Illyrian. She whispered, and the images, were they memories? Came flashing through my mind like the shimmering specter of a story waiting to be told. An anvil. Fire. A mother's tender embrace. I felt the warmth of a home long forgotten, long erased. And in her silent promise, I knew she would lead me there. I followed her into the forest, never to return, never to call myself a Roman again, but rather what I had always been, the proud son of a blacksmith. The Illyrian blacksmith.